Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the tool, and yours might vary. Today, we're exploring Zocdoc, a platform that simplifies finding and booking doctor appointments. Located at www.zocdoc.com, Zocdoc streamlines the often frustrating process of connecting with healthcare professionals. Instead of endless phone calls and navigating complicated websites, Zocdoc offers a centralized hub where you can search for doctors based on specialty, location, insurance coverage, and availability. This allows you to quickly narrow down your options and find a provider that meets your specific needs. The website is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for those unfamiliar with online booking platforms. Beyond simply finding doctors, Zocdoc provides valuable insights into each practitioner, including patient reviews, qualifications, and even short videos in some cases, allowing you to get a better sense of their approach and personality before scheduling an appointment. This transparency can be incredibly helpful in selecting a doctor with whom you feel comfortable. Zocdoc integrates with many insurance providers, allowing you to see upfront whether a particular doctor accepts your plan, saving you potential billing headaches down the line. The booking process itself is smooth and efficient. Once you've selected a doctor and time slot, you can often book directly through the platform, eliminating the need for back-and-forth phone calls or emails. Furthermore, Zocdoc sends reminders about upcoming appointments, minimizing the risk of missed visits. While individual experiences may differ, my overall impression of Zocdoc is positive. It provides a valuable service by streamlining the healthcare access process and empowering patients to make more informed decisions about their care. If you're looking for a simpler way to manage your healthcare appointments, I encourage you to check out Zocdoc and see if it's the right fit for you. It certainly has the potential to transform how you connect with healthcare providers. Remember to check the description below for the link.